Yo, what's going on? In this video, I want to talk to you about the YouTube sub box changes and what it means for your small YouTube gaming channel. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to get more views on your YouTube gaming channel, go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter right now. When you go over there, you'll get to this page and you'll be able to discover the secret to getting more YouTube views with a free chapter of my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. This free chapter will teach you how to use video SEO to bring more views to your gaming videos, how to make your videos rank on the first page of YouTube, and how to build a YouTube gaming channel that grows consistently. So definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter and start growing your YouTube gaming channel today.
So there has been a lot of hype, uproar, backlash about the YouTube sub box changes that may or may not be happening. First of all, I just want to quickly explain the situation to you. Now, there was someone tweeted, I think it was Team YouTube, and they must have asked, why is my sub box not showing in chronological order? And YouTube replied that they're basically testing a new sub box feature where, well, not feature, but a new way to sort the sub box in order to basically do what they do with everything else, like make it better for users instead of having it just chronological. And if you've been on any other social media platform, then you know that this is what social media platforms do. They, like Twitter, they got rid of the chronological stuff to show people things that they're more interested in. And the goal of these platforms is to keep people on the platform. So that's YouTube's goal. YouTube's goal is to feed you as much content as possible that you will like to keep you watching YouTube videos so that they can show you more ads, because that's how YouTube make their money. So now you kind of understand where YouTube are coming from. Now, some people are really scared about this because they think that, they've got 200 subscribers and this is going to hurt them. Or maybe they got 1 million subscribers and they think that this will hurt them. And it might. I'm going to be real with you. It might hurt you if your channel is relies on getting views from your subscribers. Personally, my channel's not like that, so I don't give a shit about this. This isn't going to hurt me at all. My channel is basically, it relies on search engine optimization, bringing people in from search. When they search for a certain video, my video pops up and they watch that. I think my subscriber views is about 3% on my channel. If it's gone up to that, it might still be at 2%. I don't remember last time I checked it, but it's quite low. My channel does not focus on my subscribers, and I highly suggest you don't do that either, because it puts you in a terrible position when YouTube decide to change their algorithm and the way subscribers actually work. The way subscriptions actually work, your subscribers are not notified when you put up a new video unless they turn on notifications. So they may see your video in the sub box, you may get recommended to them, but having a subscriber is not as high value of a thing that it was maybe back in the day or a little further back when people always wanted subscribers. Now, subscribers aren't that much of a great metric. Like, views are what matters. Views is what actually gets you paid and actually turns people into subscribers and gets people coming back and watching more of your videos and that sort of stuff. And watch time is very, very good, because that's what gets YouTube to suggest your videos to more people. But the subscribers stuff is not really super important, especially because you do not have control over how you contact your subscribers. And that's how it is on every social media platform. You do not have direct control of how you contact those people who are following you or have liked your page or anything like that. You are relying on the machine, the platform that you've decided to put your content on. And I really want to get this out to as many people who are on YouTube as possible to give them another way. Now, I highly suggest everyone that creates content on YouTube, instead of asking for people to subscribe to your channel, ask for people to subscribe to your email list. Now, I will be making videos on email marketing and how to build an email list and this sort of stuff, but I just want to give you a quick overview of what an email list is and type of power it gives you in terms of, not relying on these other platforms. Now, the basic way to grow an email list is to give something away for free. Now, a lot of you may not have anything that you know you can give away for free yet, especially if you're a gaming YouTuber. What can you give away for free? I don't know, we'll talk about that in another video. This really isn't the video for that. You'll have to figure something out. Maybe you give away the equipment that you use to make your YouTube channel. You do like a one page on that. You have those links to your Amazon affiliate program, so you can gain a commission off that, and people may subscribe for that. So you got that. You also need to tell people that they're going to get, you may be sending them emails, you may be sending them offers and stuff like that, update emails. Let them know on the actual sign up page, as you know, the new GDPR thing indicates you have to do that now. So we'll get into more. I don't want to get, this video isn't about email marketing. I don't want to tell you everything about email marketing here, because a lot of stuff is just going to go over your head if I don't give you all the information, like step by step, if you're not really into that already. But basically, you get people on your email list, you give them something for free, and then you can email your content to them. Now, if you're just putting up Let's Plays, then you're in a very terrible position, because your emails are generally going to be spam, because you're going to be spamming out your Let's Plays to people, and people may not want that. Me, I'm in a better position because I make a lot of tutorials. So generally, I'll get someone to subscribe to my email list, and I'll give them more content around the thing that they subscribe for. So if someone subscribes to sign up to my SEO course to learn how I got over 20,000 subscribers using SEO on my YouTube channel, then I can send them my YouTube guides in a weekly newsletter, and they will want that because they want to learn how to grow on YouTube. If someone purchases or signs up, or if they purchase from an Arc PS4 server site and they sign up to my email list, then they'll get more videos on how to run their server, how to grow their community, all that sort of stuff, and it's very, very specific. So I'm giving them content that they want. I'm not just spamming any video to them. I'm giving them content that they want, and because I've got a long catalog of content, which is very, very important, I'm going to make a video about catalog soonish that may be linked in this video. But because I've got a big catalog of videos, I can walk people through the process that they need in order to become more proficient at what they want to get good at. So I can start them from the beginner type videos, and I can go to advanced videos over time. So I've got like many emails in my email newsletter. Like I think I've got maybe 9 in the Arc PS4 servers one, and way more than that, over like probably over 20 right about now on my YouTube newsletter, like my Grow on YouTube newsletter. But I keep on adding to it every week. Now, this gives you the opportunity to notify people, like people who are really invested in your content when you put out a new video. Now, I don't do this personally. I do not send out a broadcast every time I put out a new video, because it's not necessary, because I put out my videos to rank in search in like 3 months. Like that's why I put out videos. So I'll put out a bunch of videos, and I'm hoping that they rank in search in like 3 months, because you know SEO takes some time to, you know, ping all the YouTube stuff and get ranked where it needs to be and get some watch time and some views on it. But I could notify people when a new video came out, but I don't, because I know that I'll add that video to my newsletter, and people will get that in maybe like 4 weeks or maybe a month or something like that, and they'll get to it eventually. So I've got people on these lists who will get to my emails and they'll get to my videos without me relying on YouTube to do it for me. So I can release a video 6 months ago and send it to people on my email list and notify them about it and get them to come and watch it if it's something that they're interested in. And this gives you a lot more power, a lot more ownership over your subscribers than just getting them to subscribe on YouTube. And I think this is something that everyone needs to do. You need a website. You need something free to give away. You need a way to get people onto your email list, and you need an email list provider. I personally use Convertkit. You can use the link down below to sign up to Convertkit. I am an affiliate, so I will get a small commission. Or you can use the link to look at all the tools that I use for my business that will really help you out. I use a Convertkit and Thrive the Thrive membership for basically this stuff that I'm talking to you about now. But email marketing is very, very important. I will definitely do a series on how to get started with that, how to get better at that, and give you some pointers on what to do with that. But I really want you guys to move away from the model of trying to get people to subscribe to your channel and instead trying to get people to subscribe to your email list. Now, subscribers are great, you know, they're good. It's nice to get subscribers and stuff, but that shouldn't be your end goal, because if getting subscribers is your end goal, then your end goal's quite shitty, because it's not a monetary value. You're not going to make money from getting subscribers. And at any point in time, YouTube can change their algorithm. They can change the way subscribers work. They can change whatever they want on you, and you'll be at a disadvantage because you have invested too much into the tools that they've given you, instead of creating your own ownership and creating your own website and creating your own community that you can operate off YouTube. If you're not really into the email marketing stuff and you don't want to go there yet, a small step in that direction is creating your own Discord channel. You can create your own Discord channel. You can get people in there and you can send out a notification when you put up a new video. You can have a channel in the Discord channel where you upload your new videos and you can notify people that way. You can create a Facebook group. You can do many, many things. But if you're just relying on the subscription box and you're just relying on YouTube to notify your subscribers, then you're doing it wrong, and you're going to hit a snag when YouTube changes something, and you're going to get fucked over. Another thing with the YouTube sub box thing is they're just testing it, and it's not definitely going to come out. They're not definitely going to use the algorithm to sort your subscription box, and I think they're going to give you the option to actually look at your subscription box via the time that it came out. I forgot what the word is now. Not consecutively. What is the word for, you know what, forget it, doesn't matter. They're going to give you the chance to basically look at your sub box in chronological order, or to use the new algorithm based way to look at it. But again, YouTube is trying to get people to watch more videos, so the algorithm is structured towards that. That is the goal of the algorithm, to keep people on YouTube, not to give a shit about creators and give a shit about what you feel and hurting small YouTubers. They're not doing this to hurt small YouTubers. They don't give a shit. They're trying to make more money. They're trying to do what's best for the platform, and you need to understand that. You need to understand that YouTube's a business, and you need to play your part, and you need to create your own business, and you need to make your own business future-proof so that you don't have to worry about YouTube's changes. And you need to be making more search-friendly content that will continue bringing you traffic and views and subscribers over time, so that when you put up a new video, it doesn't matter if that video doesn't pop off, because you've got a catalog of content that consistently brings people to your channel and gets people to subscribe and watch a video or subscribe to your email list and do all this sort of stuff, so that you have more control. And that's really, really important. I really want to help everyone get into this email marketing thing, because it's way better than just relying on YouTube. And if you want another YouTuber that does really, really great stuff on this, check out Miles Beckler. He's got a lot of content on email marketing and how to set up your email funnels and sales funnels and that sort of stuff. I'll link his channel down below, but I will be doing this sort of content focused more on gaming YouTubers, because I don't think that's out there. And I'll be thinking how gaming YouTubers can use this to their advantage. And I'll just basically use what I'm doing with my gaming stuff, like tutorials, and then now and then maybe you send them a let's play, or you send them a link to something that you sell. But most of the time, your emails need to be packed with value that people actually want. Don't just spam them and give them, you know, a bunch of promotional emails, because people will unsubscribe and they won't want to be on the email list for that. You need to be delivering a lot of value. But yeah, that's why I'm not worried about the sub box stuff, because it doesn't affect me at all. And that's why I'm never worried when YouTube does a new update, because it doesn't affect me, because I've built my own infrastructure. I've built my own business, so I don't rely on YouTube to do everything for me. If people aren't getting notified for my videos, then people aren't getting notified for my videos. I know that doing a live stream will get more people notified, and that's why when you do live streams, you lose subscribers sometimes, because people who, you know, were subscribed ages ago, they'll now see that you're live and they'll remember about you and unsubscribe because they don't want to watch your content anymore. But I know that if I want to hack the system and get more people to check out a new video, I could do a live stream to promote that. But I could also send out a broadcast on my email list and tell people that I've got a new video out, or I could add it to my newsletter and let those people watch it in a few months from now when they get through the rest of the emails that lead them up to that point. So it's all about taking control of your future, taking control of your audience, and stop allowing other platforms to have full control of your audience, and trying to have a system that you own. You own your email list. You own your email marketing system. You can email people whenever you like, and you can have some sort of security in the fact that they're probably going to get that email. And that's just what I wanted to talk about. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions or comments or anything you want to talk about, the YouTube sub box, if you want to share your worries and stuff down below, I hope I've addressed those worries and I've alleviated those. But link is in the, comment down below. There are links in the description that will help you out. But comment down below. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next YouTube guide. Peace out.
If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment. Or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.